Let's get your Ottocast Play2Video Ultra set up in your car. Here is how. First, let's see what's in the box. Here we've got a quick guide and user manual. Also, we can see the Ottocast Play2Video Ultra device. USB-A to USB-C adapter, so it works with most infotainment systems. A power cable to keep everything running smoothly. Plug the device into your car USB port and open the hotspot on your phone. Once you're connected, you can watch videos with one of the 4 built-in apps. Get wireless CarPlay in just 3 steps. Switch on your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then connect to your Play2Video Ultra device. The Ottocast Play2Video Ultra works for both CarPlay and Android Auto. Connecting Android Auto uses the same steps. Now you're ready to enjoy a cable-free wireless experience in your car, with videos, apps and more, all at your fingertips.